Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org. Coming to you this Friday morning, January 8th. We are looking at the SPY ETF's market profile here on Window Trader, and the party continues as all three of these indices are looking to gap to all-time highs. We do have the non-farm payroll job number coming out in 15 minutes, but to be quite honest with you, I don't think these numbers mean anything anymore. In fact, if anything, the Fed will do more if it's a number that disappoints. So right now, nothing to stop this train from moving on forward. As we look now at the Russell, as they're attempting to get to that 2100 level and the 210 level in the IWM. Remember, we went out with price probes in all of these things. Right now, again, with 75 minutes to go, gapping higher, price probe being accepted in the IWM. Same in the triple Qs. Remember how long it took for them to catch up to the composite. Well, price probe looking to gap higher. And for us in the SPY and the ES, we closed below our price probe, which was D's high. I said we will not know if it's accepted until tomorrow morning. Well, here we are right now. If we open above D's high, the price probe is accepted. Getting a pretty wide POC up here around the 280.25 level. We've traded as high as 381. Right now, that's our all-time high in the pre-market session. So, destinations and the game plan. Well, in the next 75 minutes, if we hold this gap, well, we'll still use 379.90 right now for the upside. And then we have 381 as our pre-market all-time high. If we gap higher, we would use yesterday's high as our first downside destination of 379.90. And then the price probe is right there, 379.86. Remember, M period took out D's high by only 4 cents and reversed pretty hard. So if the gap fills, I would think the price probe could possibly be rejected. And then once you're in M period, we'll see if we get to that very, very visual 12-wide POC, which is down at 378.95. So about $1 lower from the price probe. Then we have the one set of single prints that held, 378.31, get filled at 377.93. The lowest accepted price, B's low of 377.75, and yesterday's low of 375.92. So game plan for this morning. If we gap higher, of a gap of anywhere between, say, 40-50 cents, that's good risk reward. I would look to take a call play against the gap, more importantly, the price probe. Any acceptance below that price probe, and I'd be out of that call play. If the gap in the next hour or so gets a lot larger, once again, I'll wait for more market-generated information to see if we get some kind of inventory adjustment. If we open within 20-30 cents of the overnight high, depending on where it is, I might actually take a put play against it to see if they front run it. Early plays. If we do not gap higher, or we gap higher and fills quickly into M, and we can't get back above D's high, I will then also take a put play to see us go down and trade at that very, very visual point of control from yesterday. Early plays in CamelbackTrading.org's voice channel room, where the profile is live streamed all day long. Now, charts, I'm just going to show you one, the real important one right now, and that is the weekly. Depending on where we close today, if we close above 374.66, right now we're almost $6 above it. So if we close above that, we would have an outside week up after the first week of the trading year, which is pretty bullish. Monthly's one time framing up, daily's one time framing up. Again, markets don't go bull bear. So right now this train is riding higher, especially if we close above last week's high. Good luck trading today. Have a great day, and we'll recap the day and the week at 4 p.m.